Betsy, and it's Early Learning Together video. And here's Millie. She wants to say hi really fast. Come here, Mill. Oh, I guess she's shy. She doesn't want to say hi today. All right, so today we're going to do a math game. Lots of different math games, all with numbers and plates with dots on them. This is such an easy one to make and so much fun. There's so many games you can play with it. So first off, I'm going to take my numbers down and I'm going to take my plates down. I'm going to shuffle them up. And you can do this on the floor, but I just am doing it here on the piano because it's easy for you to see. I'm going to shuffle them up, and I want you to put the numbers, the plates, in order from the fewest to the most. The fewest dots on a plate to the most dots on a plate. So what's the first number that has the fewest dots? It's the number, it just has one dot on it. One. That's right. So adults, while your kids are doing this, realize that they're trying to learn how many things that number represents. How many things. And this is the important part of learning numbers. And that is because they can learn them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 really fast, just like they learn the ABCs, but they don't really know what 2 means unless they play lots of games like this. And this will help them learn their base numbers very easy, and then they'll be able to do higher math like addition and subtraction, and all that will make much more sense. So 1, 2, what comes after 2? Here we have 1, 2, 3 dots, 3 dots. And then after that comes 1, 2, 3, 4. And make sure your kids are trying to point to the actual numbers instead of just counting and pointing randomly. When they're young, they're going to point randomly. They're not going to make their fingers onto the dots. And that's okay. That's okay. Just count with them and show them what you're doing. That's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sometime between 3-ish and 4.5, they understand if you show them what you are doing when you're pointing to a dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So now I have all my plates lined up from the least amount or the fewest to the most or the many of them. All right. Now you want to lay these cards out, mix them all up, and lay them on the other side of the room. On the other side of the room. And face down even, or you face up, and run. And they have to run. Or actually, let's do it face up, because then you want to run and see if you can find the number 1. Excuse me. The number 1. And they run back, and they put it next to the number 1. Can you go to find me the number 4? You don't have to do it in order, do you? Where's the number 4? I found the number 4, but where is your number 4 plate? The one that has 4 dots on it. Does this one have 4 dots? 1, 2, 3. Nope. This one does. So you see, you can make all sorts of games up this way. So then we have all of our numbers lined up. Another fun thing to do after you have your numbers lined up is to say, what number, this is a riddle, what number comes before number 3? So show me number 3. And what's the number before number 3? Oh, it's 2. That's right, it has less than number 3. What comes after number 3? 4. So they're learning where the value is, where the numbers sit, the place value. That's right. So that you can play forever. You can say, tell me all the numbers that come before the number 4. Tell me all those numbers. They all have less than 4, don't they? They have less dots on them. Another one you can do is you can draw many different ways of drawing the number 5. So this is the way that we see it on a dice or on a deck of cards. That's your pretty typical way to see the number 5. Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But look at this way. This is a different way, and it even looks different when you're holding it like that. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I also see 3 black dots and 2 red ones. So 3 and 2 more make 5. So you can even start the beginning of addition with this game. Yes, for those older kids. So many games to play. The last one, I would say, is to either put the numbers in the bag or the plates in a paper bag, or both of them, and have your children close their eyes and pull a number out and then say, knock on the door this many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you could count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're knocking on the door. So many games to play. So many ways to try to do this. So to play with these simple tools. And I want to show you the book that I got this idea out of. You can take a look at these 2 books. I would highly recommend them. I will put them in the link below here in the description part of our video. So thank you very much for coming. This is Early Learning Together. We roll them out every Friday. Just a little game to play, an activity, a learning activity to play with your child or your group of kids. And then shut the computer up and play that game together. Okay, thanks. See you next time.